My name is Brittany. I am our Development Coordinator with Habitat for Humanity, Grand Traverse region, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our New Waves community project. We have been working on New Waves since 2024, and we've had Centennial Wealth Advisory out multiple years in a row. They've become a community partner for our project, which means financially they support us, but as another way of support, we also get to get them out here on the job site, and you'll see a few of them behind me right now. We're working on landscaping, and we are also working on painting today. It is a super crucial point to have volunteerism and donations to help us with our projects to serve our middle class folks here in our Grand Traverse region. We really appreciate Centennial Wealth Advisory, their support and their continued partnership and the growth that we've seen with them. It's truly an honor to have them out here to help not only see financially where their donation is going, but really to be hands-in on our project. We are currently working on 5 houses. We'll have a total of 13 Habitat houses on this project, and one house is our 14th, which we use for the church that donated to the land for this project. We thank everyone for your support, and go check us out at habitatgtr.org.